Not again, man.
Hair color. Pause. Good. Okay, green. Green it is. I hate my life right now.
Ugh, Jesus Christ. What are you?
Alright, so some of you guys might remember the last pause art challenge video that I've done on this channel, and it turned out horrible. Horrible. So I just came across this new one, and today I want to redeem myself. Let's pray to God we don't get a furry again. Now let's not waste any time, let's get right into this thing. First up, we've got body type. Gender is your choice. Alright, I would like to identify as Mudang the Hippo. Okay, 3, 2, 1, pause. Alright, we got a fatty. We got Mudang the Hippo. How do you pause? Can I hold the pause? Excuse me. Oh, this is so annoying. I hate Instagram. Okay, so I don't think this is fat. This is probably just somebody who's a little bit more sturdier built. Boom! This is sketch. I'm gonna have to see what other character traits we get to decide on a gender for this character, but let's let's go to the next one. Height? Why does that matter? This is a drawing. Okay, oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, species. But
Not again, man.
we're like 2 minutes in, and I'm already regretting this video. Well, you know what? Let's make it a girl. Okay, 2 big ears. All right, so there's her head. I've got a good idea for a pose. I mean, it's good, but it's not good. You know, like this drawing, it's impossible for this drawing to be good. But we'll work with it. You know, we'll work with what we've got. When life gives you bunnies, you make furries. Like I know, sometimes my family watches my videos, and this is extremely shameful, extremely embarrassing. I'd like to apologize to my ancestors. Holy Christ. Okay. All right. What's next? Skin color. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Okay. Regular tan. It's really funny to me that when people ask me what I do for a living, I tell them I'm an artist. And I'm just out here doing this on a Wednesday afternoon. All right. There she is in all her thick glory. Eyes. 3, 2, 1. Boom. What is that? Like slightly downward eyelids? Seductive? All right, there we go. There's some eyes for you guys. Okay, what's next? Eye color, blue and green. Okay, that's kind of cool. Just gonna put that down so we remembered that. Okay, so we've got blue and we've got green. Hair, 3, 2, 1. Pause. How does this work with the ears? All right, looking good. Looking. Hair color, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Pastel purple. What is she, an Easter bunny? Outfit. Pause. All right, that's going to be the outfit. Dress or tux, your choice. Obviously, we're going to go with the dress. And pause. Okay, these are going to be the outfit colors. Not bad. Let me just get the accessories here. Okay, just one mole. Just before I finish this piece for you guys, I just want to say I'm sorry. I expected more from this challenge this time, and I'm not sure why I ever did. All right, there's a pink dress. We got to get white on here somewhere, maybe for the sleeves. Okay, this genuinely looks horrendous, but you know what? I'm not going to accept defeat. All right, we got to get some blue on here, so I'm going to make this blue a slightly transparent kind of a sheer veil kind of thing here. Look at that. Boom! Don't count me out. That was on the wrong layer. God, I hate this so much. Okay, let's do some rendering now, guys. We're gonna just add some skin tones here onto the face. We're gonna add some warmth into the center of the ears. All right, now we're gonna start a new multiply layer. Okay, we're gonna select a neutral kind of color, and we're gonna add some shadows. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. So now we gotta work on the face a little bit. Because her species is bunny, I'm gonna go all out. All right, this is not my proudest moment, but there we go. I'm gonna start working on a little bit more detail for her face. This is impossible, guys. Might have to chalk this one up as an L. Let's add some highlights to her hair. Let's add some nice details. This could be one of the worst things I've ever drawn. This is horrible. Oh, what the hell is that? I mean, bro, holy Christ. Okay, there's no salvaging this. You know what? Executive decision. We're gonna stop this one right here. Okay, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Okay, normal body type. All right, this is the one. Please pause. Another furry. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. It's better than a bunny. Let's make it a wolf man. All right, there's a tentative sketch. He looks kind of cool right now, and I'm hoping to keep it that way. Skin. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Oh my God. Could this be a cool one? All right, so we've got the dark base here. We're gonna just alpha lock that layer. We're gonna add on some white spots here. All right, there we go. Next up, we've got eyes. 3, 2, 1, pause. Oh, ooh, that's not bad at all. So we've got double eyelids and very flamboyant eyelashes. He's gonna be a beautiful furry wolf. Sam does furries. All right, eye color, pause. Pink and purple. Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh my goodness, look at him. He is beautiful. Hair color. Pause. Good. Okay, green. Green it is. I hate my life right now. Bro, I tried so hard. I tried so hard to make this look good. And you give me green. Love to draw manga. You're officially in my bad books now, okay? You're blacklisted. I don't, you know what? You're following me. Thanks. But God, I don't like you. Give me the outfit. Just end me. Oh, he's got a turtleneck. Are you kidding me? Okay, outfit colors. Pause. Purple. I can't do this. I'm not gonna hold you guys hostage here. Okay, I'm gonna do this and show you guys the result in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I may have lied. I did a little bit more rendering, and it's kind of going hard. Okay, he looks kind of hard. Man, sometimes you just gotta believe in yourself and let yourself cook. We cooking up some furries today. Let's go. You know what this is? This is the Joker as a furry. It's perfect. Guys, look at those glowing eyes. This is crazy. Okay, redemption arc. Look at that. Boom! This is quite nice. You know, I'm gonna add some more details on him. This is crazy. Must be a wild experience for you, huh? Came for the Pause Art Challenge and you're staying here for a furry Joker. But hey, you know what? It's okay. This is a new low for both of us. I swear to God, I'm never doing this again. And boom! There you go. Look at that. There's furry Joker and Bunny Lady. Now, I'm really glad we tried a second one because that first one was absolutely horrendous. And this video, this pause challenge by Love to Draw Manga gets a solid 1 out of 10 from me. I'm never doing this again. Subscribe if you want to see me never do a pause art challenge again. And check out my Patreon. That's what pays for my therapy. Anyways, me and Furry Joker will see you guys on the next video. This is ridiculous. Why? Dude, why? 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 Why did I think it was gonna go well this time? Yeah, this is just my luck. Look at this. All right, bad, right? So bad. Yeah, I know. See? Look at him. He's trying to jump. He's trying to end his life. It's okay. I know it's bad. I know.